Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in BF Homes, Parañaque City to show you this corner modern Asian home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation nitong inyong modern Asian home, and by the way, this is also for sale. On this side, facing east, kung saan nandoon yung inyong main door. And on the other side naman, facing north, nandito naman yung inyong entrance for your 3-vehicle carport. So on the east side of the property, you can notice that wala tayong perimeter fence on this side. Very open with your front yard landscape garden. It concerns the security in this subdivision where, well, I'm here to tell you na napakahigpit ng kanilang stationary guards or stationed guards dito sa inyong main gate and secondary gates. They have the 24/7 guards, ganun din with the roving guards with electric vehicle na umiikot dito from time to time. So, ang higpit ng security dito. But it's up to the new owners of this property kung gusto nyo palagay ng perimeter fence. Okay, so but for now, we have this front yard garden. Ang ganda ng kanilang landscape and it complements well dito sa ating mga natural earth colors like itong inyong homogeneous tiles with matte texture para non-skid sa mga dadaan dito. It has the style of monotone flooring coming from this flooring up to the accent wall. Hindi malikot yung kulay, clean lines, inside view diretso. It complements well with your garden. Ganon din with the wood materials installed, very natural yung color. So add some natural texture to the space. Napaka-eleganteng tignan. It adds some welcoming vibe because of the open layout design and ganda ng homey vibe because of the wood materials installed for the facade. So covered itong inyong porch, extended by a canopy with your tempered glass. Additional texture to the space with your double UPC or wood plastic wood or cladding para sa inyong additional storage space, maybe for your shoes or other equipments or other accessories before you enter or before going out of the property. Ito yung inyong main door. Ang laki ng inyong main door with your solid wood and your modern door. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. Upon entering from your main door, on my left side, ito yung inyong living or receiving area with your dining space. So we have your open layout design dito sa buong ground level. Please disregard this wire na para sa temporary electric nitong bahay na kasi katatapos lang gawin itong property. Okay, so immediately mararamdaman mo yung sense of openness because of your double height ceiling dito sa inyong living or receiving space. Lots of natural light coming from these floor to ceiling fixed window, ganun din sa second level. All throughout dito sa buong property, especially naka-open layout design tayo, talagang napakaliwanag ng buong space dito sa inyong ground level. And mararamdaman nyo rin yung cross ventilation because of, again, your double height ceiling and your huge sliding doors all throughout the property. Kaya ang ganda ng cross ventilation. And mapapansin nyo rin yung kanilang mga screens dito sa property. Ayan. So, okay. Very modern yung vibe. By the way, for the material used, we have this high-grade aluminum and tempered glass. And for the flooring, by the way, dito sa buong ground level, we have this kind of porcelain or Spanish tiles. Napakaganda. Mapapansin nyo rin na hindi common sa market sa mga hardwares itong mga type of Spanish or Italian tiles na nakalagay dito. So it has elegant vibe with matte texture. Yung side view napakalinis with the monotone style for the flooring. Ganon din with the outdoor tiles. Parang diretso lang yung side view, no? Lots of clean lines. Napakagandang tignan and it has elegant vibe. And few steps, dito naman yung inyong magiging formal dining. In this area, kasya yung inyong 10-seater dining table. Ang ganda nung kanilang nilagay for the ceiling. which itong inyong spandrel with wood grain design. It adds some warm and cozy vibe in this space. You also have your AC and your track lights installed. So if you have paintings or family photos in this space, mas magandang tignan na, well, depende sa inyo, no? So it adds some natural texture in this area because of your travertine accent wall. Well, kapag nandito kayo, no, parang lahat nung wall nila na nakalagay dito sa buong ground floor, it has a tile cladding. Napaka-elegante tignan. Especially these are travertine. Napaka-elegante. Ang ganda nung haspi. It complements well dito sa ating ceiling. Ganun din with our flooring. Napaka-elegante ng vibe. And on this side of the property, again, mapapansin nyo yung fixed windows installed and yung mga sliding doors. Again, it allows lots of natural light in this space. And parang it connects yung outdoor space going to indoor because of your tempered glass. Ang ganda rin ng view ng inyong side garden. So, hakbang tayo dito. Again, your double height ceiling. And from the foyer kanina, no, upon entering from the main door, we have this, again, this wall with your travertine tile cladding. Your AC for your living and dining. And mapapansin niyo itong small detail dito sa buong bahay, no. Itong Schneider outlets nila, itong switch and outlets, napaka-elegante nung ginamit nila, no. Imagine, sa ganitong kaliit na accessory in this property, ang laki nung impact because of the talagang nabibigyan ng attention yung mga small details, kaya nagiging maganda yung buong property. So we have itong inyong main kitchen with your huge island counter, your integrated appliances, your downdraft hood together with your induction cook hub. It also comes with your cabinet and your drawer. These are soft close drawers and your cabinet for additional storage space. Your sink. And by the way, itong space na ito, you can also utilize this area by your breakfast or your kitchen stools, no? Kasya hanggang up to 6. So if you have visitors with you, pwede sila dito tumambay, no? Or you can also work in this area, no? Because it has this electric outlet on this side. Lots of natural light dito sa inyong main kitchen coming from your huge fixed window facing doon sa inyong plunge pool area. Again, you have your AC and your provision, no, para sa inyong hanging light. And at my back, ito naman yung inyong cabinet wall. Talagang cabinet wall, no? This entire wall for your cabinet, para sa inyong pantry, your shelves, additional texture for the backsplash, floor to ceiling cabinet for your pantry. We have this cabinet now for your ornaments and kung ano man yung ilalagay nyo nito with your soft close drawers. Another integrated appliances, itong inyong microwave and oven. And additional counter, maybe for your appliances na gusto nyo itago dito, no? Your drawers for your mga accessories in this space. Ang ganda rin ng kanilang mga LED lights installed. The location of your 2 or 4 door refrigerator surrounded by these cabinet, no? Ayan, we have again your LED lights in each cabinet. Napaka-eleganteng tingnan. And if, kunyari man, you have your heavy cooking, lots of guests, ayaw nyo maamoy yung lulutuin nyo in this property or dito sa loob ng bahay, we have this space. Ganda, no? So we have this concealed door going here sa inyong auxiliary kitchen or your dirty kitchen area. Your L-shaped counter with your subway backsplash, man-made quartz para dito sa inyong additional counter. Nandito naman yung inyong circuit breakers para if in the future mas madali i-monitor na kunyari man may magsha-shutdown or may ko-connect kayo na additional appliances dito sa inyong circuit breakers. Your 3 gas burners already installed, napakalinis tignan with your range hood. Lots of cabinets para sa inyong mga cutleries or utensils. And again, you have this huge sink. Ayan. Okay. The location of your, pwede nyong ilagay dito yung secondary refrigerator ninyo or your washing machine, pero mamaya puntahan natin yung laundry nyo. Okay. So let's go here dito sa inyong swimming pool and your 3 vehicle carport. So ito yung primary access going here. Ayan. So we have this plunge pool area with your water feature. I'm sorry, we have this another access. Oh, wala pala. Wala pala. So nandito yung access going to your water pump. So ito lang yung access going here. Ganda nung ano, no? Plunge pool area. And andito naman yung inyong access going to your 3 vehicle carport. Ayan. So ito yung space for your 3 vehicle carport. Covered na rin by your canopy, your tempered glass with WPC. Kasyang-kasya dito yung mga huge SUV ninyo or van. Excuse me lang sa mga materials installed in this space or yung mga excess materials for the sa mga construction. And ito yung ginagamit ng ating caretaker. Ito yung access coming from your auxiliary kitchen. Ayan. Diyan tayo nanggaling kanina. And ito yung utility area ninyo. Nandito yung inyong laundry and additional sink. And this is stairs going up dun sa inyong male and female staff quarters. Tingnan natin. So we have this stairs made of metal, no? Okay, let's open the lights. Nandito yung room for your male or female staff. And itong kanilang toilet and bath. Ayan. And dito sa dulo yung another female staff quarters. And the room para dito sa inyong storage tank. Ayan, with your water pump. Ang ganda rin ng cross ventilation in this area. And on the other side, ito naman yung kanina nakikita natin sa loob ng property, your garden, and your dining and living area. So coming from your outdoor space and your 3 vehicle carport going back here, nandito naman yung ating first bedroom and the common toilet and bath. So ito yung inyong common toilet and bath with enclosure para sa inyong shower space and your water closet. Ayan. Baka nagre-reflect kasi yung labas, no? And you have the water closet. Ganda ng lavatory nila, no? Parang akala mo wood yung kanilang ginamit for this lavatory. Yung gandang tingnan. And few steps, ito naman yung inyong bedroom 1 dito sa ground floor. Okay, so ito yung inyong built-in headboard para sa inyong bed frame with provision para sa inyong hanging lights or maybe yung inyong ceiling fan. Well, depende sa inyo. You also have provision for your split type AC and your window facing dito sa facade ng property doon sa inyong front yard garden. Ganda nung layout ng buong property, no? And so we're almost done dito sa ground floor. Dito na tayo sa inyong stairs. For the staircase, dito meron tayong solid wood for the staircase and your tempered glass para sa inyong handrails. Again, lots of natural light coming from your mezzanine or your balcony with your floor-to-ceiling window. So lots of natural light. You also have your Zen-type garden. Parang it adds some texture to the space. Together with the natural light, napakagandang tingnan. And you have the commanding view ng inyong living, receiving, or dining area. So dito sa second level, you have 3 bedrooms with a suite, hall, and bath each. And by the way, you have your accent wall. Parang solid wood yung kanilang accent wall dito with your track lights. Pwede dito yung inyong mga art piece. Your indoor balcony facing dito sa inyong living or your receiving area. Lots of natural light coming from your fixed window. So we have total of 3 bedrooms in this floor. So unahin natin itong inyong your bedroom 2 or the master bedroom. Okay. So for the master bedroom, your built-in headboard para sa inyong king size or custom size bed with cove light. On the left side, ito naman yung inyong provision for your AC. Lots of natural light coming from your floor to ceiling window. Ayan, lots of natural light, no, very modern yung vibe. For the flooring, laminated board with wood grain design. Also provision for your ceiling fan or a hanging light. And dito naman sa area na ito, we have your cabinets, floor to ceiling, lots of storage space. I can already imagine kung sino yung gagamit nito mga cabinets na to dito sa labas ng mismong walk-in closet area. Ayan. Okay, so we have this entire space para sa inyong walk-in closet. You also have itong inyong see-through cabinet para sa inyong jewelry or watches with soft close hinges, LED lights or cove light. Again, on either side, floor-to-ceiling cabinet. Lots of storage space for the wife. Okay, so yan, we have cove lights then in each cabinet para mas makita nyo yung inyong ginagamit, ayan, or yung gagamitin nyo na OOTD. And adjacent dito sa inyong walk-in closet is your master toilet and bath. Your dual sink with Brevant brand para sa inyong lavatory. Ganun din with your faucet. Ang ganda ng kanilang accent light in this space. Tall vanity mirrors on either side. Your water closet. And one of my favorite part of this house, itong inyong shower area with enclosure. And ang ganda kasi nakahiwalay yung kanilang bathtub dito sa inyong shower area. O ito yung hindi tinatapakan kapag ka nag-shower, kaya ang ganda ng space, very elegant. You also have your natural light coming from your frosted glass, which is floor to ceiling. Ang ganda ng layout in every space of this property. And going back dito sa inyong second floor or dito sa inyong common area, we have your additional 2 bedrooms. So total of 4 bedrooms in this house. Unahin natin ito. So this is your bedroom 3. Ayan. For the bedroom 3, again, you have your built-in headboard with cove light para sa inyong king size or your custom size bed. Floor to ceiling window. Papapansin niyo yung mga malalaking windows nila, kaya lots of natural lights. The location of your television set and your AC. Additional cabinet, maybe for your, ayan, for your clothes or dresses. Your toilet and bath with your walk-in closet. What I mean is your floor-to-ceiling cabinet, no? Additional storage space. Spacious counter for your preparation area with your vanity cabinet. Huge mirror, ang ganda ng tingnan, no? Ito yung inyong water closet and the shower space. And lastly, your bedroom 3 or your bedroom 4. Okay. So for the bedroom 4, medyo hawig sila na layout. Although iba yung kanilang iba yung size ng each bedroom. Again, your custom size bed para sa area ninyo, no? You have your built-in headboard. Again, huge window. Provision for your split type AC. Oh, mas malaki yung walk-in closet nito. So we have this walk-in closet in this area with your floor to ceiling mirror. Ayan, lots of storage space. Spacious counter then with your under-mounted sink, your water closet, and the shower space with enclosure. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new modern Asian home located here in BF Homes, Parañaque City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.